Good day and welcome everyone to another one of my predictions. This time, it's been a long time since I have made a prediction for this channel, my crypto channel. I'm always trying to make predictions for my traditional stocks channel, but rarely do I ever make, since I started this channel, some predictions, right? So anyways, let's change that fact and let's begin with a prediction for Bitcoin. Now, before I begin, as always, I want to remind you all that none of this is financial advice, right? I mean, I always have to make this distinction and this disclaimer. So anyways, guys, it's going to be a very interesting month for Bitcoin. As you can see, this is a prediction for the entire month of May, starting from May 12th, which is today, the day of the recording of this video. And it will probably be published tomorrow, which will be May 13. So let's begin, right? Okay, so today what happened? I had two circles, one in the yellow and one in green, which, as you all know, I mean, you know the drill. The yellow circle means that price either stays in range or is going to be very volatile. A green circle obviously means an uptrend, and a red circle means a downtrend, right? So let's zoom a little bit so we can see exactly what happened today. As you can see, this is where today started, right here, and it was kind of an uptrend, very small uptrend. I mean, let's try to make some distinction right here. Okay, so the day started right here and it ended right here. So it was a very small uptrend right here. As you can see, we had similar resistance levels right here, but it ended up collapsing right at the end of the day, right? So this one is actually the circle that got it right is this yellow circle, the one that says 12, which, like I said, it means either volatility or the price stays in range, basically, right? So what you're seeing right now is that today, May 12, was actually a day with volatility. You can actually see this volatility right here. You can see how it peaked right here, but then it collapsed. I mean, it kind of crashed. A very big letdown for today, as you can see right here. So it couldn't maintain this uptrend, this nascent uptrend that was starting to form, and it ended up collapsing. Now, why I'm not surprised this happened, right? Because the day after, which is this red circle right here, that says 13 and 14, or 14, I mean, which means tomorrow there's going to be a dip, and we'll see this beginning on tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, which is obviously May 14. So this means that this was a trend that was going to develop. This circle right here is developing a trend that will continue the next days. So what's going to happen afterwards, right? Again, I'm expecting another dip by May 15 or 16. There will be continuous dipping in these coming days, this coming week. But then we'll see a recovery by May 17, only to correct again by May 18, have some uptrend, a slight uptrend by May 19. And the days after that are going to be... there's not going to be much of an impulse. As you can see, the month will end on red days, basically. Yes, of course, we're going to have an uptrend by May 22 or 23 and by May 25 or 26. So we're going to see a good streak from these days. Probably it's going to be probably an uptrend for several days straight. Maybe some volatility, maybe some range, maybe some inactivity. We all know that this tends to happen. So right here, I mean, the advantage that I'm having right here is that I basically can predict the future as to how they are going to develop, how the price is going to develop in the coming days. This is not a fantasy. This is not any fraud or anything. I mean, if you've seen my trading channel, if you've seen my Twitter, if you've seen my old tweets, I predicted that there will be a collapse on the markets on April 15. It happened. I predicted Nvidia will collapse by April 15 and afterwards, and it happened. I mean, you can check my trading channel. I did a prediction for Nvidia and Microsoft, and both of those predictions were developing in real time. I mean, I made a prediction several days before that, and I published it for everyone to see. And all I did basically was updating in real time every week, every day, so that people know that my predictions are extremely accurate, and I'm not exaggerating in this. I am not making a drama, whatever. Those are the facts, right? Those are the facts. My predictions are extremely accurate. I'm just starting, but this is going to continue forever, right? So anyways, guys, this is basically what's going to happen for the month of May for Bitcoin. I will be also making more predictions, probably on Ethereum, which are the two biggest altcoin cryptocurrencies, right? So if you want me to make some predictions about other cryptocurrencies, whatever, just type it in the comments. Give me your suggestions, whatever. Give me your feedback. Like and subscribe. And I will be continuing to do this. I made several videos about this, guys. I mean, that I made a video about how traditional stocks are very tied, very related to the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, right? I made that video. I will link it so you can watch it there also. But be aware that there's a hierarchy, right? There's a hierarchy that the price of certain stocks influences a lot of what happens in cryptocurrency. And Nvidia is not just one stock. It's not a random stock. Nvidia is the biggest stock right now, the most important stock right now. They are backing up some of the most advanced technology that is developing as we speak and will revolutionize the world, basically. So let's be very aware of that. I have not made predictions for Nvidia for this month. I can only make so many predictions at a time, so be aware of that. I mean, be patient, but that's it, mate. I mean, what else can I say? This is going to be very good, very nice. As I said, man, I mean, you'll be watching me update this in real time, so there's no excuses, right? Anyways, guys, have a good day, have a good weekend, whatever, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.